Hello friends, here with another origami tutorial. Today we are going to learn a paper plane. First of all, you have to take A4 sheet of your favorite color, fold it into two equal halves and then into a triangle. Press well to have crease upon your paper. Turn it. Now fold it from the center of the crease. Fold it finally. Now fold from the bottom. Now turn it. Fold. Press well to have crease. Okay. You may pause to catch up as the steps shown in the video are a bit fast. And don't forget to like and subscribe. You can also visit our channel to learn more tutorials like this. Now we have a rough type structure of plane. We have to add some details so that it may look elegant and superb. From the other side too. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, family members and relatives. Now the wings. Actually, the whole struggle in making a plane is its wings. As wings include fine detailings, some hard steps for beginners, but that's okay, practice makes a man perfect. You only have to practice one or two times and you will be a champion in it. Alright, now the nib has formed. Add some more detailings to make it more elegant. Okay, done. Good job. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.